Hello everybody, this is Namseok. Today's subject is the Easterndestiny philosophy has nothing to do with the fate, the determinism one. I ask you, please subscribe. Thank you. The destiny philosophy is the study of transforming human destiny into the energy of five elements that constitute the universe, and judging and interpreting the destiny of the person through the eight elements, which are the standard of all people. The Eastern philosophy to interpreting the destiny of human. We interpreting the five element energy that consists of the year, month, and day, and the time of the birth. And then the time period divided into the 10 and 1 year period each month and the day. The Eastern destiny philosophy judging time and space as other condition, along with the inherent destiny of man. The method of the judging time and space in the some condition with destiny is a unique way the Eastern destiny philosophy. The result in the interpretation of the good and the bad, of the condition and the circumstance of life of the person was born with. So, we called the two conditions and the circumstance of life thus determined as destiny. The destiny philosophy is the study of knowing exactly the law of creation of the universe consisting of five element energy. And the more we know those various laws, the more precisely and we can judge human destiny. No one can deny that the great meaning of the philosophy of human destiny lies in the fact that one's future confirmed at this point in present. How wonderful, fascinating is the destiny that we can know the future to come. Maybe the future is full of questions that you won't know. The way of the knowing the future in the philosophy of human destiny is very sophisticated, scientific, systematic, and slowly rational, and logical compared to other laws of the West. Time is interpreted as the concept of the time and the space mixed in the philosophy of destiny of man. And it is through that is time period moving with the five element energy along with destiny. Ancient ancestors created the law that time and the infinity in the framework of the five element cycles of 6 distinctions. That is also absolute assumption that the cycle of the time can never intersect. Therefore, the destiny philosophy can be easily figured out through the future time from the present. Has nothing to do with the fact that destiny is determined by some cause, but it is the result of the cycle of the time by the five element energy law of the circulation. In addition, what should be considered together is the multiverse cosmology beings talking about in the modern philosophy. Thank you. Next time.